In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to nest in Smartsheet. Nesting in Smartsheet is a simple but powerful way to organize your data, allowing you to clearly define relationships between rows. This feature is particularly useful when you're working with complex projects or trying to outline tasks in a hierarchical manner. So let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step. To begin, you'll want to open your Smartsheet document where you have the data you want to work with. Once you have your sheet open, identify the row where you'd like to create a nested item, also known as your parent row. Then, select a cell in this row to prepare it for nesting. It's really important to make sure you have the correct cell selected because this will ensure that all the steps we go through will actually be applied to the right part of your sheet. After selecting the cell, turn your attention to the toolbar above. Among the various options available, you'll find the Indent button. Clicking this button is the easiest way to create a nest with the current row functioning as the parent, and the one below it becoming the child row. However, if you prefer using keyboard shortcuts, you can do so for a quick and seamless experience. For those on a Windows system, you'll need to press Ctrl and the right bracket key. If you're using a Mac, it's CMD followed by the right bracket key. Utilizing these shortcuts can really streamline your workflow, especially if you are frequently updating or modifying your nested items. Now, there might come a time when you decide that you no longer need certain nested rows or you want to adjust their structure. Removing a nest or outdenting is just as straightforward as creating one. To do this, you'll select a cell in the child row that you previously indented. Once selected, you can click the Outdent button located in the toolbar, and the row will be shifted back to its original alignment. If you favor keeping your hands on the keyboard, there are shortcuts for this action too. On Windows, press Ctrl and the left bracket key, and if you're on a Mac, you'll use CMD and the left bracket key. Like with indenting, these keyboard shortcuts make it easy to quickly reorganize your data whenever necessary. And there you have it. That's really all there is to it. Now that you know how to nest and outdent in Smartsheet, you can start organizing your data with clearer hierarchical structures. This organization can significantly enhance your project's clarity and improve how you manage tasks and subtasks. Thanks for tuning in. And be sure to practice these steps within your sheets to see the benefits firsthand.